Hi, I used Smule for my performing music project. This is a karaoke style app. You can choose and pick any style of music you want. For the purposes of time, I already selected Let It Go, the acoustic version. It gives you choices from popular music, Broadway, jazz, whatever. You can then select to perform with a group, a duet, or just solo, which is what this is. And right now I have it stopped in mid-play. But at the top it gives you the words and it highlights them when you're supposed to sing them. So I'm just going to be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. You can stop, you can save recordings you make into your own little profile. So if I go here and X out of here, it says, do you want to save it or keep recording or restart or quit? I'm going to quit and delete it. And then it's going to take me back. It can let me rate it. And it takes me back to many choices I can make. If you go to the feed, I'm not really understanding the feed except that it's kind of like a Facebook where you can watch other people's karaoke style productions. I can go to my profile and see that down here I had created one with another girl. And if I click on it, it actually gives me the globe and it shows me where I'm at. And then I can listen back to the duet we made together. I can like it, share it, love it, kind of like a Facebook works. Or you can go back and explore other people's productions they've made. So it's a fun tool. I could see a choral instructor using it in their room to just hear different kids' voices, group them as a small ensemble and sing something, or as a whole choir, bring it up on your big screen and select something just for like a fun free time at the end or a reward day. It's kind of fun for that. And it allows kids to sing songs they probably listen to. So that's a fun thing. Thanks.